So I'm sitting here, I realized that I also have some time on my hands, so I'm like, well, maybe I can do something myself, or I can learn something new. And so I decided to pick up some gardening stuff. Actually, I had most of it, I just really needed a couple things. But I love gardening, and I always do flowers every year. But I haven't done a vegetable garden since we moved to Indy. We've been living in Indianapolis for a while now, and prior to that we were in Cincinnati, and in Cincinnati I either always gardened or knew someone that was gardening and vegetables and fruits and things, and I just haven't been doing that here. So I decided I was going to figure out how to start seeds and eventually transplant them, because I've never done that, so that'll be my thing that I'm learning. And I figured I would go ahead and document it and see how it goes, because the chances of these working is really little, like small, because yeah, I don't have the greenest thumb, but yeah, so we'll see. I got all kinds of stuff, tomatoes and peppers and herbs and whatnot. I'm gonna be doing some container gardening, so we'll see how that goes. We're gonna use some empty coffee canisters and some other things, so we'll see. Okay, let's see how that goes. This was not a tutorial on how to plant things from seeds, because I have no idea really what I'm doing. I did have a really super nice person at Home Depot give me sort of a rundown on on that container. You can see it. Ooh, where's it at? Oh, can't find it. It's right there. Came with little seed pods and things, and so I put those in there, but completely winging this guy. So let's see. Sort of ran out of room. Eventually, hopefully if they get big enough, then I can transplant them into other things, like bigger containers. I'm sort of wanting to do milk crate containers, because I don't have a lot of flower bed space, and what I already have lots of flowers in. So yeah, if a couple of them still live, that'd be cool. If all of them live, then my neighbors get to get lots of plants. Yay! But yeah, I'll touch in every probably a week from now. Once they start sprouting, some of them start sprouting in like 5-ish days, some in 6 days. But if I see any activity, I'll check in then. Wish me luck, and thanks. Till next time. Bye.